Hey friends, today we will look how to do conversion of units, which means conversion of meter into centimeter, kilometer, decimeter, deca, hectometer. So to do this conversion, we will look into the basic chart for converting the units. So take this basic, which is meter, and then start from here, which is milli, centi, deci, deca, hecto, and kilo. So milli, centi, deci, deca, hecto, kilo. So if you say this is 1 meter, going in this direction always multiply by 10, and going in the opposite direction you need to divide by 10, which is like if you have a scale and this is say 1, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So in this direction it goes on increasing, in reverse direction it will go on decreasing, which is 0, -1, and so on. So if it is 1 meter, here it will become 10 decimeter, because I am considering meter, so everything will be in centimeter, millimeter, decameter or kilometer, everything. So this is decimeter. Again multiplying by 10 gives 100. So 1 meter will be 100 centimeter. This becomes 1000 millimeter. This will become 1 upon 10, or you can write 0.1. This will become 1 upon 100 hectometer and 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So the first question that we have is to convert 5 kilometer and 40 meter to meter. So 5 kilometer. This is 5 and we have to convert it into meter. So going from here, multiply by 10, because I am going in the positive direction. This becomes 500 and this becomes 5000. And what you have is another 40 meters. So this is another 40 meter. Total becomes 5040. Now let's look at another example. What we have is 2 meters and 12 centimeter. We have to convert it into centimeter. So we have 2 meters and we have to go up to centimeter. So again I am going in the positive direction. This becomes 20. Here becomes 200. And on top of that we have 12 centimeter. So total becomes 212 centimeter. Similarly, next example says 6 centimeter, 5 millimeter into millimeters. This is 6 centimeter, this is centimeter, and this is 6. I have to convert into millimeters. So again positive direction, which becomes 60. On top of that I have 5 millimeters more. So total becomes 65 millimeters. Let's look at one more example. 5.5 meter into centimeter. So let's look for 5 first. 5 meter. We have to convert it into centimeter, which is 50 and 500. And another is half a meter. Half means 1 upon 2, which is equal to 0.5. So you have 0.5 meter. Multiplying it by 10 becomes 5, and here it will become 50. So total becomes 550 centimeter. You can solve it by another way as well, by using some conversion formula, saying 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and then just applying on it. So basically 5.5, and then 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and so 5.5 meter will be equal to how many, and just do the cross multiplication. You can have number of ways to solve any problem, but final answer will remain the same. Next we have 530 centimeter, and we need to convert it into meters and centimeter. So if we look at this, if we consider this to be 500 plus 30, why? Because everything is in the multiples of 10 or hundreds. So just to break it down, we will convert it into 500 plus 30. Converting this 500 will become divided by 10, because now I am going in the opposite direction. So here it will become 50, and again dividing by 10 will give you 5. So it will become 5 meters. And we still have 30 centimeter as it is. So we can write 5 meter and 30 centimeter. Similarly, we can look at another example, which is 4 liter into milliliter. As I said, we need to have the basic conversion unit, which is meter, or this can also be liter. So 4 liter, which means 4 is here, and you need to convert it into millimeter. So again going into positive direction gives 40, 400 and 4000. Another question says how many milliliters are there in 3 3/4 liters. So if you break down the question, it's easy to solve. Here it says 3 liters. We will keep 3/4 liters aside for now. First we'll convert 3 liters. So this 3 liters, and we want it into milliliters. So this will become 30, 300, and here becomes 3000. And 3/4 liters. So 3/4 liters means 1/4 is 0.25, then half is 0.5, then come 3/4 which is 0.75, and after conversion it will give 750. So this is, and so the total will be 3750. We have another question. So how many milliliters are there in 1.5 liter? So what you can do in this question is separate 1.5 liter. First convert 1 liter into milliliter, and then convert half liter into milliliter. And similarly, if you total in, you will get the total milliliters. So try to solve it and let me know your answer in the comment section below. If you like this video and would like to see some more like this, please like, share and subscribe.